Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone is well. So today, yesterday I uploaded a video about CSS common errors, and now today I'm back with a new topic, that is CSS display. How to show an element in different ways, in different display type. How to show an element. So today in this video we're gonna be talking about that, and it's gonna be also interesting as well as the previous video. So since I've told that I'll be continuously uploading video from now, so don't miss any video of me, because CSS is a large chapter, and uh, if you can understand the entire basics and even advances of the CSS language, so you can go ahead in styling and designing a site. So don't miss any part of this video, and subscribe this channel to get all of the CSS videos every day. And after finishing CSS, we shall start JS. So let's start the video. So came after intro. So now firstly we're going to use Visual Studio Code, and I use Visual Studio Code. So this was our previous code, so remove it. These are the styles, even remove it. I'm gonna use word wrap to show every elements as well. So today we're going to take a button first, and the class is gonna be panel and on click type. You may not understand about on click. It's a JavaScript property, but we need some JavaScript codes right now today in this video. So if you don't understand anything, so I'll clear everything, that how the JavaScript code has worked, so don't panic. So on click, I'm gonna my function and click to show the panel, and here take a div with the class panel, and I have already copied these items, and these items will be displayed in this div element. So now we have to style it. So I think it should be ID. So panel, and this panel also, there's two panel, one class and one ID. So I should everything be good. Padding should be 10 pixel. Text align center. Border solid 1 pixel. White. And what can we write more? That is font family. It's gonna be the font family. And is there anything? Margin should be automatic. So if you want to see the output, so let's see the output. Oh, I haven't used the background ID, so let me use it with 100%, and the background is gonna be background color green, not exactly green, yellow green. And I don't need, wait, let me check it. So this is the cursor is gonna be pointer. So now check it. So it's showing as well that I wanted. So now we'll make the site like this. Second section will be hidden, but whenever we'll click the first section, then the second section will be displayed. So how to do it? Remember that we used a one-click attribute and the value of it my function. So now we'll have to use JavaScript. So script.js, And now we'll learn that how to connect it with HTML. So just script.source, the link is script.js we have created. So come here, and now function, my function, writing function is not so easy, I think. So now document.get element by id. So what's the id? The id was panel. So panel dot style dot display equals to block. I didn't want it. Everything should be okay. Have to use it? I don't think. And I think display of it should be none. Oh, I found the mistake. That is document.get element by id panel style dot display is gonna be block, but everything has been hidden. So on click, when I'll click this function, so what I'm gonna do, I think this time it should not have an error, but it's right now having error. So why, I don't know, but let me check. Display, the display is okay, but oh, I found my mistake. That is, I'm on the trap of the errors that I showed yesterday, and today I'm in the trap of those errors. That is, I haven't used the inverted comma. This is the main mistake that I've already done. So it doesn't matter. I don't panic. So rearrange it as well as hey. So just keep panel display none and remove it from here. So it should have been okay, but it's not okay. Why? Let's show it. Wait. It's okay. The mistake, bro. The mistake I have done. I know that I'm not a professional developer. That's why I make mistakes every time. And I have already made a mistake. I think you know, you don't know because you don't have any idea about JavaScript. I think because you're right now you're learning about CSS, so that's why you don't have any idea about JavaScript. It's simple, it's natural. So the mistake I have done, that is, I haven't inputted any bracket here, so it's not as a value of the attribute on click. But right now it's a value, but before the time I haven't inputted the bracket, it was not a value of this attribute. I understood my mistake. Teaching you, I have already I'm clearing or clarifying my mistakes every day, and it's my habit right now. So let's see it. I think it will work. Bro, there's a limit of patience. That is my function. So everything is okay. My function, document.get element panel style.block blah blah blah. So right now the display is none. Now I connected it. One thing I'm gonna do, that is, I'm not gonna use external file. I will be using it right here. Let's see. Working. Internally working, but externally not working. What's the problem? I don't know the problem, but in the next video I'll clarify the problem. Don't panic about that. But right now think that we're not learning about JavaScript, we're learning about CSS display. And the matter is, I think you haven't cleared about display, because I have just shown blah blah blah. I have written some button codes, panel, p, paragraph, and then the script. What does it mean, why I did it? I am going to explain right now. The display, I used block. Here the block. So why I used it, let me show you. When I'm clicking here, the display is block right now, and it arranging all of the elements as well. We're watching right now, we have explained or we've expressed. But right now if we make the what that set value is gonna be right now flex. Display value is gonna be flex. So how it will looking like? So it looks like right now here it will arrange all of the items in one line. It usually used for navigation bar. We'll be knowing about how to create navigation bar in next videos. So it's the value called flex. Some important values are inline block is one of the important values, but there's nothing changes between block and inline block. Sometimes these both are same, but in some cases these are always different. And one more value, that is grid. So it's a grid layout, some space among all of the lines. And the last value is none. If we express it, if we write it, so none means there's nothing, so clicking it will show nothing. So it's the value. But we can I could show you or explain you as well without JavaScript, but I called trap for me, and I'm in trap right now. So remove it. So now just div panel. We don't need script, and remove it and just remove it. And let's see. So this is the panel, and now we will be trying as display, that is block. The block is same, flakes, see, same, but I willingly I made those problems and showed you. Sorry for that. So easily I'm gonna explain right now. None means there's nothing, blank, completely blank. And grid means some space between among all of the lines. So it's all about display none, block, and inline block or block. So I think all of you are clear about that. You will be more clear about when we will be making navigation bar. Navigation bar means how I can express that. Like I'm going to GitHub. So the navigation bar means this is the navigation bar. These are the menus. That is it's a responsive menu. That's why it's showing something like this, because my window is not large. So if it would be large, so it would show in this line. So the search bar and the drop down menu, all of these, and profile icon, all of these are positing in this navigation bar. So the place where all of these things are what that calls positing, or maybe wrong, but I'm not finding anything to say. That is the place where the search drop down menus or the profile icon is right now. That's called navigation bar. So we'll be learning about that, how to make that. So when we'll be learning about that, then we'll be more clear about that, what is display and why it's usually used. So for today, I think this is enough about that inline block, grid, and flex. So mostly the developers or designers mostly uses the flex and block property. Inline block and grid is not used so much, so that's why these are not important. Important is flex and block. We'll have to learn about this. So for this video, enough, nothing to learn more, and don't learn more, because in a day if you learn much, so nothing you can have in your brain. So that's why leave this topic and just practice if you can. If you don't can practice, leave. Bye bye, Allah Hafiz.